Finding and editing sections got much easier now with the new preview inspector. Check this new preview inspector over here. You have to just activate it. So with this preview inspector, you can find the sections or blocks just by clicking over them. So let's see how it is done. Let's see this new feature on Shopify. So activate this small icon over here which says activate inspector, and then or just go to the section, just click on the section you want to edit. So I want to edit this slideshow section. So I'm just clicking over here and you see these things come up. So let us try it out. So I want to remove this section. So I can just click over here and delete it. Wow, so easy. So now I click over this section, delete it. Yeah, and I click this section and I don't want these buttons over here, so I just delete them because I have everything on the banner. So that easy it is. So now if I want to add a new section, let us see, I want to add a featured product section over here. Let's see how we can do that. So I want to add it in between these two sections. So I click over here and you see this add section coming over here. Wow. So I can just click it from the preview itself and then go there and see all the sections that we have on our theme have come up over here. Okay, so now let us click on featured product. So featured product section have come here. I can also rearrange the contents here. So for example, I want the quantity selector to come first. So I click on this block that I want to move down and click on this icon to move it down, and it goes down. So from the preview itself, I can do all these things now using the preview inspector. This is a very new feature on Shopify. So check it out.